Namaskar and welcome. This session is a gentle, supportive breathwork practice designed for anyone carrying stress, overwhelm, or unresolved trauma in the body. Trauma isn't just something that lives in our thoughts, it lives in our nervous system and in our body. Sometimes, even when we think we are okay, the body can still be holding tension, bracing, or stuck in survival mode. Breathwork is a powerful way to communicate safety to your nervous system. By consciously slowing and guiding your breath, you can begin to shift from a state of stress or hypervigilance into one of calm, regulation, and grounding. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, you can pause, return to natural breathing, or simply open your eyes and come back to your surroundings. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position. You can either lie down on your back or sit upright in a way that feels supportive. Let your hands rest gently on your belly, your chest, or by your sides. Allow your eyes to close or soften your gaze. Take a moment to notice how your body feels right now. We are going to start by gently waking up the body and releasing stored tension. On your next inhale, begin to tighten your muscles starting from your feet, your legs, your core, your arms, your shoulders, your face. Gently squeeze everything, not to the point of pain, just engagement. Hold for a moment and then exhale, release completely. Let everything soften. Again, deep inhale, tighten the whole body, hold, and exhale, release. Feel the contrast between tension and relaxation. One more time. Inhale, tighten, hold, and exhale, let go completely. Notice if anything feels different now. Now begin to bring your attention to your breath. Start with slow, deep inhales through your nose and gentle exhales through your mouth. Inhale through nose. Exhale through mouth. Let your breath be smooth and steady. As you inhale, imagine creating space in your body. As you exhale, imagine releasing anything you no longer need. Continue at your own pace. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just gently guide your attention back to your breath. Now we will shift into a slightly more structured rhythm. We will inhale for 4 counts and exhale for 6 counts, both through the nose. Let's begin. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going. The longer exhales help signal to your nervous system that it's safe to relax. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw unclench. And let your belly rise naturally as you inhale. Stay with this rhythm. Now, as you continue this breathing pattern, we will add a layer of awareness. On your inhale, silently say to yourself, I am safe. On your exhale, silently say, I let go. Inhale, I am safe. Exhale, I let go. You don't have to force these words to feel true. Just plant the seed. Let your body slowly begin to believe it. If emotions arise, warmth, sadness, restlessness, that's okay. Just let them move through you, carried by your breath. Now gently release the counting. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Notice your body again. Notice any areas that feel softer, any shifts in your mind, any sense of grounding or calm. Place one hand on your heart or your belly. Take a final deep inhale through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Remind yourself, you are allowed to feel safe in your body. You are allowed to slow down. You are allowed to heal at your own pace. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today. If this felt supportive, you can come back to it anytime your body needs grounding or regulation. Take care of yourself, and I will see you next time. Om Shanti.